Hello, and welcome to Dr. Friedel's 9-in-1 Manicure and Pedicure Multi-Tool. Let's get started with unboxing your new favorite nail care companion. Your multi-tool comes in 5 unique colors. Today, we're unveiling our signature company color. You'll notice a QR code at the back of the box. Scan this to access our detailed manual videos for each tool on our webpage. Handy, isn't it? Once you open the box, you'll find a card that highlights all 9 functions of your multi-tool. Keep it close by for reference. Here's your multi-tool, snug in a protective leather sheath. This keeps it safe from moisture, even in the bathroom. To open the sheath, push on both ends with one hand. The metal band closure might be a bit stiff initially, but it will ease up with use. Pull out your new multi-tool. It arrives in a folded state, neatly compact and ready to use. To unfold it, just pull gently on each end. Before you start, we recommend giving it a quick wipe with a soft tissue to remove any residual oil from production. Now, let's get to know your tool a little better. This is the nail plier. Stabilize it with your little finger at the bottom to prevent slipping. Simple and efficient. And that's it. Your 9-in-1 multi-tool is now ready for use. We hope you love it as much as we do. Thank you for choosing Dr. Friedel's. We look forward to accompanying you on your nail care journey.